Mula pagkabata, nakasama ko kayo sa aking journey as a little girl with big dreams. Starting with baby steps, natutunan kong harapin ang lahat ng challenges hanggang sa unti-unti ko naabot ang aking mga pangarap. I wouldn't be who I am today kung hindi dahil sa inyo, sa aking pamilya, mga kaibigan, katrabaho at mga tagahanga. Kaya naman I am truly blessed and grateful sa inyong lahat. As I say goodbye to that little girl, I can say na ready na ako to embrace the lady that I will become. Handa na ako to face the future at very much excited for the beautiful things and opportunities na naghihintay para sa akin. Kaya naman this year, as I celebrate 18 wonderful years, samahan niyo ako sa panibagong magical chapter ng aking buhay. One unforgettable milestone as the little girl turns into a young woman.
special debut para sa napaka-espesyal na Teen Queen kapamilya na mahal natin lahat. Of course, we'd like to thank Nash, Bugoy, John, Alex, Khalil, Neil, Robbie, Sam, Enrique.
At syempre kasama rin natin sila CJ, John, Iggy Boy, Diego Yves, Joseph Marco, Dominic Raver, Ekshong, and our kapamilya Teen King, Daniel Padilla.
Alright, and of course, our very beautiful and blooming debutant mga kapamilya Teen Queen, Catherine Bernardo! Alright, happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Ano bang nararamdaman mo ngayon, ha?
Nakaka-overwhelm, grabe, na ang daming na-excite para sa akin. Kaya, sobrang thank you everyone, and sa lahat ng mga fans na pumunta. I love you guys. See you sa debut ko talaga. Yay!
Oo nga, hindi ka na baby girl. Pero sandali lang, ikaw Dong, ikaw matanong naman kita ano ang iyong birthday wish para kay Kat? Ha?
Birthday wish ko para kay Katrina. Itong aking partner, marami pa kaming pagsasamahan. At sana, ngayong 18 ka na, dapat mas maging responsable. At enjoyin mo ang buhay 18.
Alright. And at this point, Shai, meron tayo, of course, ang ating fan swapper.
Kasama natin ang ating fan
Ayan!
swap winner, Miss Elaine O'Hara from Bulacan.
Yes! Ang cute!
Congratulations!
Thank you so
Ayan.
much. Creative. Ayan. At dahil dyan, ikaw yung makakanalo ng Vans ko and of course kay DJ. Plus, Got to Believe DVD and soundtrack. Congratulations! Yay! Ay, wait, meron pa.
Oh,
Wow.
Alright.
Thank
Ganda
you.
naman. Right after her birthday celebration here on the show, didiretso si Catherine sa ABS-CBN Center Road, of course with Danielle, kaya abangan niyo po yung mga pamilya para sa kanyang ASAP Fans Day, of course. And for full coverage, visit asap.abs-cbn.com/chat. Kath, it's time for you to thank your sponsors.
Yes. Maraming salamat po sa mga tumutulong sa akin. Of course, sa mga sponsors ko, Bench, Rejoice, Olay, Whisper, Buscapan Venus, Ajinomoto, Topo, Suntouch, SM Accessories, Lemon Square Cupcakes, Coca-Cola Fresh Look, Gold Gym, Sterling Notebook, Juicy Cologne, Vans, Your Own Time, Vanity Salon, Faces and Curves, My Dentist, P&G, KFC Family, thank you, Kakao, Unisilver, Ruffles Bag, RBX, ABS-CBN Mobile, LJ Moreno Alapag of the Lolly Cake Factory, Star Magic, Star Cinema, KFC, and of course, sa lahat ng fans worldwide, thank you! Nakaka-overwhelm, super, and oh my gosh, grabe, I can't thank you enough. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And of course, yung debut special mo is gonna be shown.
Yes, on April 6 for Sunday's Best. Mapapanood yung lahat ng the making and behind the scenes.
Happy birthday, Kath, from all of us here. Please blow your candle.
Yay!
Happy birthday, baby girl!